Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are going to show you how to make whipped tofu with our Koso. This recipe requires just 4 simple ingredients and one easy step. Add all the ingredients to a blender and mix until smooth. You'll get a light creamy whip that not only tastes amazing but also lifts your mood. You can enjoy this whipped tofu in so many ways. Spread it on toast, use it as a dip for fresh fruit and vegetables, or even as a light sauce for grilled meat and fish. Tofu is not only great plant-based protein, but it's also rich in isoflavones, natural compound from soy that may support heart health and bone density. Studies suggest that regular tofu consumption is linked to improved cholesterol levels and may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. On top of that, tofu is easy to digest for many people, and it provides minerals such as calcium, iron, and magnesium that help keep your energy steady. Now let's talk about Koso. It's a traditional Japanese fermented probiotic drink made from over 100 kinds of whole foods. Fermented food like this support your gut microbiome, which plays a huge role not just in digestion, but also in immunity, inflammation, and even mental health. September is the perfect time to reset your gut health. After the heat of summer, it's common to feel fatigue, digestive discomfort, or irregular appetite. Supporting your gut now helps you recover from summer fatigue, strengthen your immunity for autumn, and maintain a more stable mood and energy. This whipped tofu is creamy, nutrient-rich, and when you add Koso, you are giving your gut an extra layer of support. As I said earlier, it's so easy to make. You need 150 grams of farm tofu, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, half tablespoon of Koso original, or 1 teaspoon of Koso lower sugar. You just need to add all the ingredients to a blender and mix until smooth. Try it and let us know how you enjoy it, on toast, with fruit, or maybe as a topping for your favorite bowl. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.